Welcome back. Today is January 15th. I am still in Leander, Texas. I plan to be here at least to the end of January, maybe the first or second week in February, depending on weather, depending on a couple of different things. So let's talk about where I'm at right now. One of the big reasons I'm here is because of my torn shoulder cuff. It is, once I spoke with the actual expert with the shoulder cuff, he said that he could do the operation, but there was about a 50-50 chance that it would keep and that he'd have to do another operation, and each one gets a little bit more involved. And I really don't want to go down that road. 50-50, I'm not too thrilled about those odds. So we're focusing on strengthening the muscles in my left arm to begin compensate for the muscles that are torn from the shoulder cuff. So I've been going to physical therapy with that. They gave me some different exercises, and I actually have a previous video that shows 3 of the exercises that I'm doing right now. They have since added another one, and when I go back on Wednesday, they're going to give me an additional exercise to do. Those exercises I do for 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. It takes about 30 minutes each time to do all these exercises, because 2 of the exercises are 10 minutes, 2 exercises are for 5 minutes. So it takes me about 30 minutes to do all the exercises 3 times a day. And that's really beginning to help. And the good thing about these exercises is that I can do all these exercises on my boat. They almost seem simplistic to me, but they really do work. The other thing that I did was worked on my eyeglasses. Let me give you a hint. You know, if you ever get the urge to, those Santa wipes that we use to clean our counters with and things like that, when your glasses are really dirty, don't use one of those to clean your glasses, because if you do that, it's going to take off part of the coating that's on the glasses, and it really makes it a little bit more difficult to see out of the glasses. So I needed new glasses, and so while I was here, I was able to go to Costco, and I got my eyes examined, and fortunately my prescription really hasn't changed that much since the last time I had an eye exam, which was about 5 years ago. And I ordered 2 sets of glasses. That way I have a backup in case one set happens to fall in the water or something like that. And so right now I have these new glasses on. I can actually see out of them. They are really wonderful. It's nice having that kind of stuff. The other thing I'm working on is I'm having my hearing tested. Really became apparent to me that maybe I really should take a look at that. I thought it was pretty good. But I'm sitting down watching TV with my cousin Jack and his wife Linda, and they have the TV set for me kind of low. And so I go, is this the normal level of volume you use on the phone? They go, oh yeah, we hear it just fine. I'm there, well, I can hear it, but I can't really understand it. And so could you raise it a little bit? And so with that, I decided, while I'm here, there's a Costco pretty close by. I'll go ahead and have my hearing tested there and see what's what. So I went in and had my initial set up for an initial hearing test. She took a look and she said, make sure your ears are clean. So I cleaned my ears as best I could. She took a look at them, and there's wax buildup back down deep in the canals. And so I have to have my ears professionally cleaned. So I have that arranged for this Friday to have my ears professionally cleaned. This is the 3rd appointment that I've had with this particular facility to have that done. I'm certainly hoping that I can get that done on the 19th, because that's holding up this hearing thing. And then right after I'm done with that, then I can go to Costco. I have an appointment the same day at Costco to have a hearing test and maybe get fitted for hearing aids. And so if that occurs, then I need to wait till the new hearing aids come in, because I imagine they don't have them on the shelf, or something needs to be done or something or other. I'm really not expecting to be able to walk out right away with new hearing aids. So once I get those done, then I can begin taking a serious look at getting back to Chattanooga, Tennessee. The thing I'm looking at in Chattanooga, Tennessee is weather, because I'll be working outside on the boat, getting it all ready to go. There are several things I want to do. I need to wash the outside, give it a good washing, need to give it a new wax, change the lower gear oil on both engines, change the oil on the little Nissan kicker, clean up the inside, clean up the outside, restock it. So I have quite a few things to do on Footloose once I get back to Chattanooga. I'm anticipating that's going to take probably a week to 10 days to get all that stuff taken care of. At that point, I'll be able to start my loop adventure again. Although this is part of the loop adventure, it's just part of the adventure. That's what's fun about adventures. So that's it for January 15th. Once I get things updated next week, I hope to do another update for you, let you know what's going on. I appreciate everything that you do. I appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much for doing that. If you're someone that hasn't subscribed, please do. That certainly helps with my ratings, things of that nature. So again, goodbye, and may all your seas be calm.